Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an exam schedule on Notion. Now, as you can see here, right here on Notion, I currently have a study planner. But if you want to create an exam schedule, I'm going to show you how you can quickly create this as well within Notion. So once you're inside Notion, guys, just simply go ahead and click on the new page on the upper left hand side. And you don't even have to name it. You can just simply go ahead and go straight to the templates on the bottom here. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is simply type what you want. Exam schedule. Once you type an exam schedule, all you have to do is simply go ahead and click and enter. And you will see it start to show you, for example, exam planning, exam schedule, whatever it is, the same thing that you actually want. You'll be able to scroll through and find. You'll find a ton of different free options that you can use: assignment and exam tracker, exam schedule and planner. All these different things you'll be able to find, right? And most of them are actually free so that you can see. And if you don't like these ones, you can continue to load more and more and more until you find something that actually works. If you find something that's paid and you want to use it as well, that is actually up to you as well. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to keep it pretty simple. By simple, go ahead and choose, for example, the first option here that you see. So for example, exam planning or exam schedule. So let's say I want to use this. I can click on it. You can see what it looks like. And if you like it, just simply go ahead and click and add on the upper left. And you will see that it's currently adding the template for you. And once that is added in, you'll be able to quickly use it. As you can see, it says see it, or I can look to the upper left hand side where it says exam planning, click on that, and it's going to take me right over to that as well. And that here you have it, guys, a fully designed template for an exam schedule that you can use. You can change everything. You can even change the name. If you don't want it to say exam planning, you can say whatever it is. You can change it. You can add new. You can basically change everything that you want, as you can see here. Fully nice, fully working exam schedule that you can literally use in Notion. And that's it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and make an exam schedule on Notion. Very easy and very simple.